In this video, I'll show you how to build a chatbot with Replit Agent. First, sign into your Replit account and click Create REPL to start a new project. Once your workspace is ready, open the Agent panel from the right sidebar. Next, copy the chatbot prompt provided in the description of this video and paste it into Replit Agent. The prompt will instruct the agent to generate a complete AI chatbot application with a modern interface and all the required functionality. After that, submit the prompt and let Replit Agent generate the project. Review the generated files, accept the suggested changes, and wait while the project is configured automatically. Now, add your AI provider's API key to the secrets section if it's required for your chatbot. Then click Run to start the application and test the conversation flow. If you want to improve the chatbot, simply ask Replit Agent to add more features or customize the interface. Finally, test the chatbot thoroughly, make any final adjustments, and deploy the application using Replit's built-in deployment tools so you can share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a chatbot with Replit Agent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.